Alright guys, so we are going to work on our color pencil color wheel. We've divided our color wheels up into three circles. The outer circle is going to be our shade of the color, the middle circle is going to be our pure hue, and the inner circle is going to be the tint of that color. So we're going to start at 12 o'clock with yellow, and you're going to need your yellow colored pencil, your black, and if you have a white, you can go work with the white too. So I'm going to use the yellow in both of these sections at full strength, the shade and the pure hue. I'm just going to fill this in.
All yellow?
Yes. But then when I get to the tint, remember I'm going to want to use lighter pressure because I want that to look white. And especially if you don't have a white colored pencil, just make this a little lighter. I'm going to actually fade all the way to like white. So I'm getting this center ring really saturated, like going over it a bunch. And I'm going to go over my yellow outer ring so it's really saturated too. So now I'm going to take my black. The black is really strong, especially on top of the yellow. So start off really light. Thank you. So I know it's really subtle, but I'll zoom in. So you can see how I put the black on top of the yellow, and then the yellow middle ring is just the hue, and then the inner ring is really light yellow. And if you want, this is not necessary, but if you want to put the white colored pencil on top of your color, I don't see that much of a difference with it, especially with yellow, but I'm going to go back on top of my black with the yellow just to kind of help blend it. It will just like smear it around a little bit. And I'm going back on top of the yellow with the black again. So I'm going to do this for each color on the color wheel. When we get to the intermediate color, which our next color, yellow-green, now I have a yellow-green, so I can just use that, but if I did not have a yellow-green, I would make the yellow-green first and then apply the black on top of it. So let me sharpen my yellow-green. So at 1 o'clock is yellow-green. I'm going to repeat, and I'm going to color these two sections at like full strength.
Is that like a light green or?
Yep, it'll say yellow-green on your colored pencil. If you don't have this one, I have a whole box full of these, so if you don't have the yellow-green, I have them. I'm going to do a second layer to fill in on any of the white spots. And then in the tint section, the center, where I want it to be the hue plus the white, I'm going to use very light pressure. Until it actually like fades to white. And then in the outer loop, I'm going to make my shade by mixing the black on top of the yellow-green. I'm using light pressure because the black is strong. I'm going to go back over my shade section just to kind of blend that black in. like a construction zone. Alright, that is my yellow-green section. Ta-da! So I have my shade, my pure hue, and my tint. And again, if you want to try the white, you can. I don't see enough difference to make the effort, but let me go for it. Alright.